All right, for summary question 3 here, we've got 3 parts that we're looking at, A, B, and C. Each one has a picture where carbon transfer is happening, and what we need you to do here is draw on the picture showing that carbon transfer, so where carbon begins and carbon ends. So we're essentially zooming in on a section of our big carbon cycle picture and just focusing on one process. Carbon starts and ends this way. Then what process do we think it is? So this would be one of your labeled arrows from our diagram earlier. And then the last one is a description of the process, so kind of describing it, describe what the arrow is, describe part of your definition from your notes, just kind of put it in your own words related to this picture. Okay, so for this one here, we see the frog eating this little moth. So if we think about all of our terms, what term is describing carbon being transferred through eating? That hopefully comes to your mind is consumption. And so the carbon is going from our moth to the frog, right? And so the description of the process would be something like carbon is transferred from the moth to the frog when the moth is eaten, something like that, through the food chain by the smaller animal being eaten by the bigger animal, something like that. Okay, so again here we're looking at what exactly is happening. So what process do we have where we know car or gasoline is involved, and think about where it's going to in the picture. So again, draw the arrow, name the process, and describe what you see in the picture. Okay, and then again here we see a girl exhaling outside so we can see her breath. So think about what process has to do with breathing. Again, draw the arrow, name it, and give a description of what is seen in the picture for carbon transfer. You got this.